Hey everyone! Welcome back to the WA Electronics channel. Today, I'm excited to unbox and review the new Miniware Smart Soldering Iron, the TS101. This tool has been getting a lot of buzz, especially among DIY electronics enthusiasts, and today we're gonna see if it lives up to the hype. Let's jump right in. So first up, let's take a look at what comes in the box. We've got the TS101 controller blue. An anti-slip cap can use as a soldering iron stand. The TSB2 soldering tip. A USB-C to C silicone cable, and of course, the instruction manual, which is available in multiple languages including English, Chinese, and Russian. One thing to note is that this soldering iron does not come with a power supply, so you'll need to use your own USB-C power bank or power adapter. At first glance, the TS101 feels super lightweight, and I'm loving the sleek, ergonomic design. It's really compact, making it perfect for portability. Let's check out some of the key features. The TS101 comes with dual power input options. You can use either a DC 9 to 24 volt supply through its DC 5525 interface for up to 65 watts, or option for USB-C power with PD 3.1 for up to 90 watts. The temperature range is adjustable from 50 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, making it versatile for a range of soldering tasks. This smart soldering iron comes with an OLED display, allowing you to control the temperature accurately. Other features include boost mode for quick temperature increases, sleep mode, auto screen off, and even a customized logo option. The low current wake-up function is handy for energy saving. It also has a USB-C port for power and firmware updates, which is a really nice touch. Now let's test this thing in action. I'm going to solder a few connections on this small printed circuit board to see how well it performs. The iron heats up impressively fast. In under 10 seconds, it's already at 300 degrees Celsius, which is pretty convenient if you're looking to save time. The TS101 also has a smart sleep mode to preserve energy when you're not using it, which kicks in after a few minutes of inactivity. Now that we've tested it, let's talk about the pros and cons of the TS101. Pros: 1. Portability, super compact and lightweight, ideal for on-the-go use. 2. Fast heat-up time, reaches working temperature in seconds. 3. Smart features. The OLED screen and sleep mode are great additions. 4. Wide power compatibility. USB-C power input gives flexibility with power sources. Cons: 1. No power supply. Included, you'll need to buy or use your own power supply. 2. Cost, a bit on the pricier side for casual users. So overall, the Miniware TS101 Smart Soldering Iron is a fantastic tool for both hobbyists and professionals. Its smart features, portability, and versatility make it a strong contender in the soldering market. If you're serious about your DIY projects, this is definitely a tool worth considering. Check out the buying link in the description below to get your hands on the Miniware TS101 Smart Soldering Iron. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. WA Electronics for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.